The difference between a presentation, resume, or pitch deck that looks professionally designed and one that looks like it was thrown together in 20 minutes is almost never about effort. It is about starting from the right structure. Canva has thousands of templates, but the majority of them are not suited for high-stakes professional contexts. In this video, we are going through the specific templates by category that consistently produce polished, credible results, and the design principles that make them work. Let's get into it. How to find and evaluate a Canva template properly. Open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account and click the search bar at the top. Before jumping straight into a search, understand how to evaluate a template quickly, because the volume of options is large enough that browsing without a filter criteria wastes significant time. When you preview any template, look for 3 things before deciding whether it is worth customizing. First, white space distribution. Professional templates use generous white space around text and between elements. Templates that cram content together to fill the frame feel low budget, regardless of the color scheme or fonts. Second, font hierarchy clarity. A professional template has an immediately obvious visual difference between heading text, subheading text, and body text. If all the text appears at roughly the same visual weight, the layout lacks structure. Third, color restraint. The best professional templates use 2 to 3 colors maximum, with clear roles for each one. If a template uses 5 or more colors of similar saturation, it will fight for attention rather than guide the viewer's eye. Keep these 3 criteria in mind as we go through each category, and they will help you evaluate any template you encounter that is not on this list. Presentations for corporate contexts. In the Canva search bar, type Professional Presentation and filter by presentation in the content type. For corporate settings, including board meetings, quarterly reviews, and internal reporting, the templates that consistently work best are ones built on structured grid layouts with high contrast between the background and text. Search specifically for blue and gray Simple Professional Presentation. This template uses a clean 2-column grid structure on content slides, a high-contrast dark header bar on the title slide, and consistent iconography placement throughout. The blue and gray color scheme reads as credible and neutral in corporate contexts, without being visually boring. It imports well into PowerPoint if you need to share it outside Canva, and maintains its structure across export formats. For annual reports and formal documentation, search for blue and white Professional Presentation. This template leans more heavily toward the document-style presentation format with clear section dividers, consistent table layouts for data-heavy slides, and a clean typography hierarchy that prioritizes readability over visual flair. It is appropriate for audiences who are reading the content carefully, rather than watching a presenter walk through it. When you select either of these templates, do 3 customization steps before changing any actual content. First, update the font to your preferred pairing if the default fonts do not match your brand. Second, replace the placeholder brand color with your organization's primary color if you have one. Third, delete any slides in the template that you will not use rather than leaving them as blank placeholders at the end. Pitch decks for startups and new projects. Search for Startup Pitch Deck in Canva and filter by presentation. Startup pitch contexts require a different visual register than corporate presentations. The audience is making a judgment about credibility and potential simultaneously, which means the design needs to be both polished and energetic. Search for Black Elegant and Modern Startup Pitch Deck Presentation. The dark background on this template creates immediate visual authority. The gold accent color communicates premium quality, and the layout structure follows the conventional pitch deck flow from problem to solution to market to team to ask. Dark background presentations print poorly, but project and screen extremely well, which makes this template appropriate for live investor presentations and digital sharing rather than printed leave-behinds. For a more versatile option that works both on screen and in print, search for White, Blue, and Gray Modern Startup Pitch Deck Presentation. The light background version of the modern pitch deck aesthetic maintains professionalism while being more flexible across contexts. The structured content blocks on each slide accommodate the typical pitch content volume without feeling cramped. For either template, pay particular attention to the data visualization slides. Canva's built-in chart tool connects to the template's chart placeholders. Replace the placeholder data with your actual numbers and ensure the chart type matches the data story you are telling. A trend over time requires a line chart. A comparison between categories requires a bar chart. A proportion of a whole requires a pie or donut chart. The wrong chart type for your data undermines credibility regardless of how good the template looks. Resumes that get noticed. Navigate to canva.com/resumes/templates and filter by professional. Resume design in 2026 needs to balance two competing requirements: looking distinctive enough to stand out in a stack, and maintaining the clean structure that allows quick scanning by a recruiter or hiring manager who is spending 15 to 30 seconds on initial review. Search for black and white clean professional A4 resume. This template is the strongest general-purpose professional resume option in Canva's library. The single-column layout ensures correct parsing by ATS, the applicant tracking software that most larger organizations use to filter resumes before a human sees them. The typography hierarchy uses size and weight to differentiate section headers from role titles from body text, without relying on color as the primary organizing principle. The result is a resume that reads clearly at a glance and holds up in both digital and printed formats. For roles in design, marketing, or creative fields where demonstrating visual sensibility is itself part of the application, search for minimalist modern professional CV resume. This template introduces a subtle left sidebar structure that creates visual interest while maintaining the clean hierarchy essential for quick scanning. The two-column approach requires more careful ATS consideration since some tracking systems struggle with multi-column layouts. If you are applying through a company portal that uses ATS screening, save a plain text version of your content alongside the designed version. Whichever resume template you use, follow these 3 non-negotiable rules before exporting. First, ensure all placeholder text has been replaced. Nothing undermines credibility faster than a submitted resume that still contains lorem ipsum or template instruction text. Second, export as PDF rather than as a Canva share link. PDF preserves your exact formatting across every device and application. Third, name the file with your actual name rather than the generic Canva file name. Recruiters manage dozens of files, and a file name of John Smith Marketing Director Resume is immediately more professional than Canva Design 4827193. Business branding and marketing materials. For proposals, flyers, and company profile documents, search for Professional Business Proposal in Canva and filter by the relevant content type. The key principle for business marketing templates is visual consistency across your materials, which communicates organizational coherence and attention to detail. Search for Minimalist Beige Cream Brand Proposal Presentation. This template uses a warm, neutral palette that photographs well, reads clearly both on screen and in print, and has a visual register that feels considered rather than generic. The layout structure accommodates the typical proposal flow of executive summary, scope of work, timeline, team, and pricing, without requiring significant restructuring. For flyers and one-page marketing materials, search for Beige Professional Business Services Flyer. The single-page constraint requires ruthless prioritization of information hierarchy. In any flyer template, your key message should be readable in 3 seconds by someone glancing at it without stopping. If the most important information is not immediately obvious, the template needs structural adjustment before it is ready for use. For company profiles and capability statements, search for red and white geometric company profile presentation. Use this template with caution on the default red color scheme, which is visually dominant and works best for brands whose visual identity already includes a strong primary color. If your brand uses a different primary color, replace the red consistently throughout all template elements before adding any content. Font pairing for professional output. Open any template you have selected and click on a heading text element to see which fonts the template uses. Understanding the font pairing logic of a template helps you modify it correctly without accidentally breaking the visual hierarchy. Professional font pairing in Canva follows a consistent principle. Pair a display or serif font for headings with a clean sans serif font for body text. The contrast between the structural weight of the heading font and the readability of the body font creates the visual hierarchy that makes a layout feel organized. For corporate and formal contexts, the pairing of Playfair Display as a heading font with Lato or Open Sans as a body font consistently produces professional results. Playfair Display has the weight and authority appropriate for heading text without being difficult to read. Lato and Open Sans are highly legible at body text sizes and render cleanly across screen and print. For modern and minimal contexts, the pairing of Montserrat Bold as a heading font with Montserrat Regular as a body font creates a cohesive single-family pairing that feels clean and contemporary. Using different weights of the same font family for headings and body text is a reliable approach when in doubt, because the typefaces share the same design proportions and always pair harmoniously. Avoid using more than 2 font families in any single document. 3 or more font families creates visual noise that reads as inconsistency rather than variety, which undermines the professional impression regardless of how strong the individual templates are. Color and image customization. Navigate to any template you have been working on and open the color palette. Click on any colored element to see its hex code in the color picker. Note the template's base palette before making changes so you can restore it if needed. For professional contexts, replace high saturation template colors with slightly desaturated versions of the same hue if the original colors feel too bright for your context. A corporate blue at full saturation reads as bold and assertive. The same blue desaturated by 20% reads as authoritative and controlled. A small adjustment in saturation changes the emotional register of the entire document without changing the fundamental color story. For images within templates, Canva's Magic Media tool generates brand-aligned images from text prompts directly within the editor. Click the Apps section in the left panel. Find Magic Media, and describe the image you need. For professional contexts, include descriptors like clean, minimal, professional, and the specific visual content you need. Generated images are sometimes more consistent with the template's visual register than stock photos, which can vary significantly in style, lighting, and color tone, even within the same search results. When using stock photos from Canva's library, filter by color to find images whose dominant colors match your template palette. A photo whose primary tones are consistent with your template colors creates visual coherence. A photo whose colors clash with your template creates visual tension that makes the layout feel unfinished. Professional-looking Canva output is the result of starting from the right template structure, maintaining font and color consistency throughout, and ensuring that every design decision serves the reader's ability to quickly understand the most important information. The templates in this video provide the structure. The principles in this video help you customize them correctly, without accidentally undoing what makes them work. If this helped, drop a comment below and let us know which type of document you are working on. And for more design and productivity guides like this one, make sure you subscribe. We will see you in the next one.